Welcome back children to the third module of the video of the lesson Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. We learned that Aladdin rubbed the lamp and a genie appeared. Genie is supposed to be an imaginary creature who is imprisoned in a bottle and who grants wishes. So Aladdin wanted Genie to take him back to his home. The next moment, Aladdin was home with his mother. Once he was back home, Aladdin rubbed his ring and a second genie appeared. Aladdin also had a magic ring. A second genie appeared. दूसरा genie प्रकट हुआ. What can I do for you, master? Genie ने कहा, मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? Give me enough gems and gold. Gems, again diamond, pearl, precious stones, so that we can be rich till the end of our lives and longer. He wanted, Aladdin wished to have gems. So Aladdin and his mother lived happily till one day Aladdin saw the Sultan's daughter. Saw is the past tense of see, Yasmin, and wanted to marry her. Aladdin saw and he wanted to marry Yasmin. You can marry her if you have a palace like mine. Sultan said that he should have a palace like Sultan and Yasmin, then only he will marry him, his daughter. Palace, Mahal. That night, Aladdin summoned the genie of the lamp to grant his second wish for a huge palace. Someone called. Again, genie was there. I want a palace as big as the Sultan's. This is apostrophe S. What is your second wish, master? I want a palace as big as Sultan. And lo and behold, and see, something surprising happened. There was a huge palace there the next morning. You can see in the picture. Aladdin and Yasmin were married. After the Sultan's death, Aladdin ruled the kingdom. उसने शासन किया. Kingdom, Raj. He became the king. Everyone was happy. Mustafa got the news and made a plan to get the lamp from Aladdin. Again his uncle, he got the news that Aladdin married Yasmin and he has become a king and he is living there so happily. He waited for Aladdin to leave home and then stood near the window and shouted. Stood is the past tense of stand. He knew that Aladdin was not at home in the palace. New lamps for old, new lamps for old. Yasmin thought it would be a good idea to get rid of the ugly old lamp. Again children, I have written three forms of verb here. Think, thought, thought. Alright. Get rid of, chutkara pana. She said, okay, let her give the old lamp. This old lamp is so ugly. Let me exchange this for a better one. Yasmin, she did not know that that was a magic lamp. So, she wanted to give that lamp in exchange of the better and new lamp. That's all for this video children. Thank you.